Meta has launched a standalone app called Instance. Disappearing photos, one-time viewing, sent to mutual friends only. If that sounds familiar, it's because it's basically Snapchat, currently testing in Spain and Italy through Instagram Labs. Let's look at what it actually does. 4 things Instance actually does. Open straight to the camera, no feed scrolling. Photos can only be viewed one time and then they're gone. If a friend doesn't open your Instant within 24 hours, it auto-deletes. And content goes to mutual followers or close friends, not everyone. Here's what Instagram's promo shows. Camera, first layout, circular viewfinder, capture button, disappearing photos from your friends with reaction emojis underneath, and shared instance that display with a friend group of avatars. Stripped down compared to Instagram proper. More Snapchat than anything Meta. Meta has done this before. Stories came from Snapchat, Reels came from TikTok, Threads came from Twitter. Now Instance is Snapchat again. The pattern is copy the rival, build it into the ecosystem, wait for the original to lose momentum. Sometimes it works, sometimes the app dies. 4 things to know first. Screenshots still work. Anyone can save your disappearing photos instantly. It's Spain and Italy only right now. Your metadata is still kept by Meta even when photos vanish. And the golden rule of disappearing apps: don't send anything you wouldn't want screenshotted. Would you actually use Instance, or are you sticking with Snap? Drop your verdict below. Genuinely interested who's still using Snapchat versus who'd jump to a Meta version.